Guys, like legit, it's a blizzard today. Like, I don't know how to say this, but there's a blizzard. Right now it's snowing. Like, I'll try to show you how much it is. Look at that. Look at that snow. Look, you can still see the snow coming from that direction. Darn, there's a lot of snow today. Like, by a lot of snow, I mean a lot of snow. Like, I can't even believe how much snow there is. Like, look. So much snow that one time I was playing with a frisbee. It was snowing for like 3 days. And like, so I played with my frisbee like before, like 3 days. And then I just got eaten over there. There was rats. I got scared. I went inside. I forgot about it. And then now I remember that now it's covered in snow. I can literally not see it. Look by that bush right there. Like right there. You know, that one. Next to the pink bush. No, this thing. Pink stick. Next to the pink. Oh, by the way, what the? You know how the vegetables are covered. Look. Darn. Where are those things? Out of here. Whatever that is. Like, look at that. Ew. That bug is humongous. Like, legit. Wanna go to the front, guys? Let's go to the front of the house. Come on, let's go to the front. I've just been wandering around these places. Like, there to here, not knowing what to do. Like a guy could. Darn, the snow. Way too much snow. Obviously, as you can see. I'm walking backwards because there's too much snow. And I obviously can't walk. Like, I can't see anything. Darn. So, keep walking backwards. Yeah, that's my house. That's my house. Oh, darn. All the way down. Look at that. That's snow powder. Just moving the snow. The one just moving the snow. Look. Like, legit. That snow will get moved now. Darn. Snow. Yeah, bro. I'm just gonna be sitting. Oh. This doesn't have fingerprints, so I'll have to take it off and put it in the drop while holding the phone. So the phone is covered in snow. Darny. Oh darn, my snow pants are covered in snow. When I go back into the house, my mom's gonna be angry. There's a policy. No snow inside the house. Oh, by the way, I can't wait until the next one, the next field. Then you post like a few minutes after this. Actually, I'll just combine it with this one. I definitely know this part. It is windy. I think. Oh my. No. Okay. Like, bro. Not cool. Not cool. I'm blurring out the house, so yeah. Just gotta get up. Should we go back inside? Should we? I feel like adventuring the blizzard today. Adventuring the blizzard. Should we? They're warning the electric thing. Electricity box. I don't fucking care. Like, damn, bro. Damn, bro. That's a lot of snow. Damn. D-A-M, bro. There's so much plain, freshly made snow on the ground. Look at that. I'm just walking around. Like, legit. It's plain snow. Look, plain snow. Okay, can't tell you what plain snow is. Darn, there's a car coming. Darn. Yeah. Just go to the side. Car can go. So yeah, there's literally nothing else. Nothing. Like, I mean, there might be some stuff I could have done, but no. Like, literally, there's too much snow. Way too much snow. Way too much. Like, I'm not kidding. I'm not even kidding. It's way too much snow outside. Like, it's legit a blizzard. Like, a literal blizzard. But darn it, the snow's getting in my nose. Darn. Damn it. Darn it. Damn it. Darn it. Darn it. Oh, the ice. Oh. Darn it, I'm so slipped. I'm just gonna skate around. You know, just skate. Like, I'm just gonna try not to lift my feet off. Oh, so much powdered snow just moving. Darn, snow got in my eye. Why do I keep saying darn it? Damn. Like, I'm just saying all those words like the most. I can't swear. Like, damn is not wrong. Damn. Bro got on fire. Damn. I think somebody say that. Like, you know, I'm not talking about the swear type of dam. I'm talking like Beaver Dam. Beaver Dam representing that as the word of it. Bro, beaver dams, humongous. They fill up like half of a lake. They fill up like so much of a lake. The fuck was that? Okay, whatever. That creeped me out. I feel like going inside. Okay, let's go inside, guys. Go inside. Let's walk around. No, we'll not walk around. Like, go inside, walk around. I want to show you the post that I made, guys. Okay. Well, actually, that's in a different video. So, bye. So, go to the video after this. Go to the poster video after this. It's called I Got a New Poster, guys. Okay. It's called I Got a New Poster. So see you later. Bye.